Do you want me to just drive these things back to the police station for you? Look, it's red. He didn't say, no, absolutely not. Don't drive our police cars to Sapulpa. You guys know what no is? It's like the first step to yes. Playing with the sirens. Whoop, whoop, woo!
Let the darkness take control.
What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambros Steve. I'm kind of excited right now because I came to White Glove, you know, because everybody brings their stuff to White Glove. I got the Range Rover over there. But look, Sapulpa PD's here because White Glove does all the graphics for Sapulpa Police. We love Sapulpa Police. So I was just thinking, I'm actually heading back that way towards Sapulpa. Look, there's another car here, and Jordan's with me. And they were gonna get ready to come pick these cars up. So I'm like, bro, just call them and say, hey, Lambros Steve's gonna bring the cars back. So right now, I just sent him a text. I'm gonna say, hey, do you want me to just drive these things back to the police station for you? What do you think, guys? I mean, this is gonna be cool. Let's see if they're unlocked. Oh yeah, look. We could totally drive. Look, Jordan will ride in the back of this one. This is tight, bro. I mean, can you just see me at the wheel of this thing? I mean, oh yeah, going to the police station. Hey, look, got our iPad in here. I can start running tags. You know, like, hey man, I got my radar up here. Look, got my stalker right there. I mean, listen, this video will be posted later, and I don't know if I can film while I'm driving a police car, but what do you guys think? I feel like I need to. I feel like we need to work this thing out. You know what I mean? Hey, he read it. Do you want me to just drive these things back to the police station for you? Look, no, this was locked. Oh, this was unlocked too. Look at this. Oh, would you look at that? I'm telling you, bro, this is it. It's Lambros and the Sapulpa Police. You'll have to stay tuned. We'll have to go and ask Myron. Okay, listen, here's what we'll do. I'm gonna go in and ask Myron and be like, Myron, hopefully my mic will pick it up. Myron, hey, what's up? Where's Myron? Jay, do you have the keys to the police cars? Please. I just texted and he hasn't replied. He read it though. He hasn't said, like, I could totally drive him back for you. Jordan, what do you think? We taking the police cars or not?
I can't see you. You're a good guy.
Hey, they're unlocked. They're doing a wrap over here with a car, doing paint protection film on a C8. They're doing this G-Wagon back here. All right, just looking for the keys to the police cars. Oh, there you are, Myron. Myron, what do you think, bro?
About what?
I mean, he read my text. He didn't say, no, don't bring him here. Don't do me a favor.
Well, it sounds like he didn't reply.
Look, it's red.
Red.
He didn't say, no, absolutely not. Don't drive our police cars to Sapulpa. I'm saving tax dollars right now because they don't have to drive over in their own personal vehicles or another Sapulpa PD car, bro.
See, that's true, but at the same time, it's a no because he didn't say yes.
You guys know what no is? It's like the first step to yes.
No is no.
Gotta get a no, and then you'll get to yes.
Yeah, that is actually true.
See, what did you say? That is actually true.
Is true, yeah.
Okay, so then the question is, what do we have to do to get the police? Hey, by the way, they're unlocked. So I've already been in there tinkering around with them, playing with the sirens. Whoop, whoop, woo! So anyway, Jordan's gonna play cop and I'm gonna play robber. So, Jordan, you ready to go? I got the keys. We'll be back. All right, I just missed his call. I'm about to call him back. Hold on one second. Jordan.
Oh.
Hey, I'm about to call him back. You ready for this?
Call him.
Here's what we're gonna do. Hold on. All right, it's ringing. Let's see what he says. Here we go.
Yo,
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
not much. How are you?
Good. Hey, so we're at White Glove. With technology issues here, we're here with Myron. I swear, I got on the phone. I got permission. This is the craziest thing that would happen. I got permission to get the cars, and then the sound died on the mic, so it cut out the entire part. Are you there? Are you back?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just recording, and it went dead. So I was just trying to get this for Myron and for the listeners and the viewers. So I think it's a little ridiculous for you and your team to drive from Sapulpa all the way to White Glove to get the cars and bring them back when we're here. And we're coming to Sapulpa anyway. So, are you good with us just driving them there?
I mean, if you could do me the favor and drive them, I would. I mean, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Bring
if
me
we
a
did,
box of donuts. How about that?
and if we did, you're not gonna arrest us when we get there. Are you gonna arrest us when we get there?
That's a possibility, but just bring my donuts. How about that?
All right, we'll bring how many donuts? How many donuts do we bring to not get arrested? Myron, what do you think?
2 dozen?
A dozen.
A dozen.
Better be a baker's dozen too.
Better be a baker's dozen. We'll be there in a minute. Bye. All right, guys. Now Myron heard it. You guys heard it. And now let's see if I can actually wrestle the keys out of Myron's hands. Later. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.